Most people think our world is perfect. With a few ups and downs, but it could not get any better. But they're wrong. Climate change is changing our world. Well, what's wrong with our world getting a little hotter? What's the worst thing that can happen? That's what you may think. But right now, glaciers are melting, animals are becoming extinct, the sea levels are rising.
You may be confused about what weather is and what climate is. Weather is what happens in the atmosphere over a short period of time. The weather might change in an hour, maybe. Some examples for weather might be sunny, stormy, rainy, etc. Climate is what happens in the atmosphere over a long period of time. For example, the climate in Antarctica will be different to the climate nearby the equator. We started to notice the man-made change in 1958, and it is still getting worse. It started because we found the need for energy, and energy is not a sacrifice we are willing to make.
Our world is surrounded in a layer of gases called greenhouse gases. These gases are called carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, and they act like a greenhouse, letting sun rays in, but only letting a small amount, keeping our atmosphere warm and humid. This allows our ecosystem to survive. But we are ruining this by releasing these gases into the atmosphere, making it thicker so that sun rays come in but don't come out, heating our planet. Carbon dioxide comes from cars, factories, burning fossil fuels, oil, petrol, coal and gas.
Around the Earth is a layer of gas called ozone. It acts like a force field, absorbing most of these ultraviolet rays. In small amounts they tan our skin, but too many can hurt us, kill animals and plants. But we are destroying this layer by releasing gases called CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, which melt the ozone layer. CFCs force the fluid out of a spray can. They are also used in refrigerators, air conditioning systems, and some fire extinguishers. We are sending more CFCs that the ozone can handle, making holes.
Governments are trying to slow this down by not using such bad fertilizers, slowing down deforestation. Also, they will use more organic farming, worm farms, recycling and composting. They need to research this to find better solutions. They also need to slow down the production of carbon dioxide.
Climate change has had a huge impact on the 21st century. Lots of problems have occurred. Giant ice sheets are melting. The sea level is rising. In lots of places, flowers are blooming earlier. Fruits and vegetables are growing further north than where they used to grow, and some can't grow where they used to grow.
Although you can help. Switch to clean energy sources like wind or solar power.
Reduce the energy you use by turning your TV off, computer and the lights off when you're not using them.
And watch out how much water you use, especially hot water. Did you know that running hot water for 5 minutes uses the same amount of energy as leaving a powerful light on for 14 hours? And think about taking public transport,
Riding to work or school,
and buying bio products.